Cropwell Road, Radcliffe-on-Trent has always been one of South Nottinghamshire's most highly regarded residential addresses, and that's where we are today. This is number 57, a lovely period home dating back to 1928. As you'll see, there are so many lovely features both inside and out. So let's take a look around and see what you think. So some of the nicest features of this house are outside. The property stands within a glorious plot approaching 0.75 acres. It provides a high degree of privacy, lots of seasonal colour, and a sweeping driveway provides ample off-road parking, and there's also detached garaging with an office to the rear that, in my view, could be a potential annex. What we also talk about is the location. We are right on the edge of Radcliffe-on-Trent here. You're within walking distance to the village, which provides a whole lovely range of amenities for day-to-day life, and also provides ease of access to Nottinghamshire region's commercial and retail centres. I hope you've enjoyed looking around this home. If you like what you see, then please contact us to arrange a viewing.